Pregnancy is not an illness, says Kareena Kapoor Khan while speaking about her decision to continue working through her second pregnancy and even amidst the continuing pandemic. While millions of women in India and around the world balance their work and family quite comfortably, when a leading lady in Bollywood is seen working through her pregnancy or return to work after having a baby, it always manages to become a huge talking point. Take Bebo for example. The actor created quite a frenzy when she kept making public appearances through her pregnancy with Taimur and filmed for Veere the Wedding soon after. Now pregnant again with her second child, Bebo is being a thorough professional, making sure to fulfill her work commitments while braving the dangers posed by the pandemic. The actor, who is filming for a chat show, also dismissed increased online trolling by saying that the pandemic and lockdown has left people bored and with a lot of time to comment on other people's lives. Kareena is currently filming for the third season of a chat show she hosts where she speaks of inspiring women from the media and entertainment fields. The diva also completed shooting for Lal Singh Chaddha opposite Aamir Khan a couple of months ago and managed to squeeze in a short holiday with husband Saif and their adorable son Taimur during Diwali. Speaking about the unexpected break she and Saif got during the pandemic, Kareena ने कहा कि तैमूर के साथ दोनों को बहुत सारा वक्त बिताने का मौका मिला. And this is the silver lining. But one can't be at home forever. कभी न कभी तो काम पे लौटना ही पड़ता है. And that's what she decided to do. There's nothing wrong with taking all the safety measures and trying to work. Pregnancy is not an illness, and I definitely agree that we are in difficult times, but you must protect yourself. I can't just take things for granted saying that I can't work because this is the situation, Bebo said while speaking about her decision to resume work. When asked about whether she is taking a risk or overstretching herself by working through a pregnancy and during a pandemic, Kareena ने कहा that though many people including her family feels that she has ants in her pants and that she finds it hard to stay at home, सच तो ये है कि उन्हें अपने काम से बहुत प्यार है और उन्हें काम करके खुशी मिलती है. Speaking about filming for Lal Singh Chaddha with all the precautions in place, Bebo added, had the pandemic not happened, we would have wrapped up Lal Singh Chaddha in April. It just so happened that I got pregnant and this pandemic happened. I had a commitment and I had to fulfill that. Bebo, who was amongst the many Bollywood stars or star kids who had to face brutal trolling earlier this year in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, shared that she does not allow herself to be affected by trolls or negative people on social media. करीना को लगता है कि पैंडेमिक और उससे हुए प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से लोगों की लाइफ में काफी कियोस हो गई है और शायद इसी वजह से people are over discussing, over analyzing, over trolling things. She added, everyone is sitting at home. Lots of people are without jobs. One shouldn't even look at it as trolling. I guess everybody is just bored and wants to say something. अब लोग बोर है या गुस्सा, ये तो हम नहीं जानते. But we are happy that the actors like Bebo are breaking the barriers for women in Bollywood to continue with their careers even after marriage and motherhood.